What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a bibliography or the citations into your document if you're working with the Claude. So first thing, you need to have a Claude subscription. If you don't have, you can work with the Sonnet version, which is not very much efficient with the complex tasks and cannot be very much credible as well. If you're using the Opus or the Matthews model, that is the best one at the moment. But these kind of things can be handled by the medium usage of the Opus as well. So let's dive into the video. Let suppose you have a document. For example, we are working on a document like any sort of document. For example, let me go ahead and grab a real document real quick. So you can simply ask, hey Claude, I want you to add citations and bibliography for the document. Before you hit that up, make sure that your model has enabled the thinking mode on. You have all these models, and in this you guys can select the web search as well and research as well, because these two things will contribute a lot. And this, by simply giving this prompt, you will be able to add citations and bibliography. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.